much the home screen of the drama application where you can watch a ton of drama series. The For You section here will allow you to scroll and look for other drama series which you can watch as well. Here you can see a lot of trending options. You can tap on this option or icon here to be able to see the most watched or the trending drama series which you can watch. And if you find interest in any one of these drama series, all you have to do is just tap on the one that you want to watch and you're pretty much good to go. As you can see here, once you do tap on, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this due to their privacy policy, maybe they won't show this, maybe blacked out. But anyways, once you're in this section, you can tap on the episode option. It will be down here, somewhere down here. And as well, you must see all the episodes available. And as well, some of them may have a lock icon. Pretty much will need to unlock those episodes. So all you have to do is tap on the episode that you want to unlock. And as well, we'll tell you how much credits or coins you need to unlock those episodes. You can see your 30 credits. Coins, I should say. And we'll give you an offer if you want to use, let's say, watch 5 ads to pretty much unlock the episode, or you can go ahead and purchase your subscription. So that's really pretty much it for that. And in the reward section, you can go in this section here as well to get free coins. So all this works is pretty much you using your application, logging in, checking in. Do make sure you go into this section here and tap on this option here to get the free coins. So as you can see here, I just currently checked in on the application. I've pretty much got free coins. As well, you do have other options as it relates to you getting free coins. As you can see here, by just watching not a few ads, that's a lot of ads. By watching 19 ads, you'll be able to get 20 coins. As you can see here as well, you have the notification option there, and pretty much following them and completing these steps, getting free coins as well, which you can use to unlock episodes. So that's really pretty much it. And if you're thinking about purchasing coins, you can also tap on the balance option at the top here. No, not that option, sorry. You can tap on the profile option and go in the subscription page. So once you're in the subscription page, you'll be able to see their subscription as it relates to them unlocking all of the series. As you can see here, you have the weekly subscription, monthly subscription, and 8-year subscription. So if you want to top up the coins, you have to go back in the wallet section here, tap on the top up option, and you'll be able to see the coin section. As you can see here, just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see the coins. So as you can see here, get 100 coins for pretty much $1, I would say. And the rest of these prices are pretty much here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. One thing I forgot to mention is the My List section will pretty much show you all the movies that you have added to your favorite list, and also history section of any one of these short movies that you have watched will as well show in this section here. But with all that said, guys, see you in the next one.